I think some of you will hate me for this, especially as a Jordan fan. I've always said that Jordan is the greatest of all time. Pero ngayon, alam mo yung feeling na akala ko tapos na yung era ni LeBron. Pero biglang may plot twist. Ganun yung nangyayari ngayon kay LBJ. Habang karamihan ng legends at the age of 39, 40, even 35, nasa retirement speeches na, si LeBron, well, parang may career mode at may cheat code. Hindi lang siya ngayon nakikipag-compete sa mga record ng ibang players. Ang kalaban niya ngayon, history na mismo. And here's the crazy part.
Podcast Sports, the number one independent sports voice of the Philippines.
For a guy that a Jordan fan, I think you would appreciate this. Hindi na natin siya nakikita ngayon nakikipag-compete kay Michael Jordan. No, and sa nakikita natin sa social media, that's not even the comparison now. Ang nakikita natin ngayon, ang binabasag niya, hindi record ni Jordan. Ang binabasag niya, yung standards na kung anong dapat na posible sa basketball. Let's talk facts, no? Walang bias, stats lang. Si LeBron James ang all-time leading scorer sa NBA history. Lampas na sa record ni Kareem Abdul-Jabbar at hindi lang basta lampas. Lumalayo pa. Grabe yung layo. 40,000 plus career points. Top 5 sa all-time sa assists. And top 10 sa steals. And plus yung rebounds niya, 11,000 rebounds. And going. Ibig sabihin, hindi lang siya scorer. Hindi lang siya passer. Hindi lang siya rebounder. Si LeBron parang lahat na yata, no? Kung gagawa ka ng player sa video game tapos ilalagay mo lahat sa 90 yung attributes, si LeBron na yun. Parang yung kaibigan mo na sumali sa group project tapos siya yung leader, siya gumawa ng PowerPoint, siya nag-present tapos siya yung highest grade. Ganon si LeBron. Pero yung age, ito yung nakaka-mind blown ngayon. Ginagawa niya hanggang ngayon at the age of almost 40 years old. Hindi ka ba naman mabibilib dyan? Yung kung karamihan ng legend, Michael Jordan, last year na yan, limited minutes na siya. He's not performing the same way as LeBron James. Si Kobe Bryant, battling injury. Si Magic Johnson nga, nag-retire na maaga. Pero si LeBron still dropping 20, 30 per game. Still initiating offense, still winning games, still dunking. Grabe yung huling nakita ko, dinangkan niya 2 batang player ng Indiana Pacers and still chasing down blocks. Para sang may sariling time machine. Dati ang debate, LeBron versus Jordan, championship. LeBron versus Kobe, Jabbar, Killer Instinct. Pero ngayon, iba na usapan eh. Hindi lang yung peak comparison ngayon. Ang usapan ngayon kay LeBron James is longevity, production, and consistency. Imagine 20 plus season pero hindi pa rin bumababa yung level ng laro ni LeBron James. Parang negosyo na 20 years plus na pero grabe pa rin yung kita. Kung si LeBron ay empleyado, baka mauna pang mag-retire yung HR. So ito yung tanong. Hindi ba sa ginagawa ngayon ni LeBron James, mas lumalakas na ang case niya bilang greatest of all time? Kasi GOAT is not just peak performance, not just championship, not just highlights. Even outside of the basketball, he's doing a lot of things. LeBron James is changing the limits of the game. LeBron James did this. Longevity, redefined. Positionless. Grabe. Player empowerment. And, of course, statistical versatility. Parang wala yata makakatalo sa kanya. Ginawa niya lahat at kaya niyang gawin lahat. Hindi lang siya nagdo-dominate. No, binabago niya kung ano po yung posible. And I don't mean to be, I'm sounding like I'm changing my mind. And maybe I am. And let me know kung bakit sa tingin nyo, Jordan pa rin. Kasi habang tumatagal, di na tayo nanonood kung sino ang mas magaling sa kanya eh. 'Di ba? Parang ang pinapanood na natin ilang records na or ilang records pa ang mababasag ni LeBron James. And we're not seeing him slow down. He might play until 50. Baka if he plays until 50 tapos ganyan pa rin, grabe na. Hindi na can someone beat LeBron? Ang tanong na ngayon may makakaabot pa ba kay LeBron James sa mga ginagawa niyang statistical points? At isipin mo kung ganito pa rin siya even today, beating everyone, beating time, beating history, baka lang, hindi na debate. Wala nang debate. Baka si LeBron James na talaga ang greatest player ever. And he is still writing the history. I mean, statistics don't lie. No? So, anyway, naisip ko lang bigla kasi nakikita ko ang daming LeBron James tsaka nakita ko yung mga highlights sa ibang lase. So, para sa inyo guys, GOAT na ba si LeBron James or Team Jordan ka pa rin? Because one thing is for sure, ito, hindi na tayo nanonood ng player. I think we're just watching history. LeBron James is making history every day. And that is just, wow, greatest of all time. Maybe.